Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise from your audio in VN Video Editor. So if your audio has background noise, unfortunately VN doesn't have built-in noise removal feature, but you can reduce background noise using this few methods that I'm going to tell you through this video. So the first method, you can adjust the audio volume and feed effects. So you can just open a VN and load your project and then tap on the music icon and choose the, let's say I'm going to just add some audio from my device. Okay, this one for example. Here you can just tap on a check icon. Now you can just tap on the audio and then tap on the volume in here to lower the background noise by adjusting the volume of certain clips. You can just lower it down like this, then click on a check icon. You can also use fade in or out to smooth transition and hide unwanted noise at the start or end. Second method that you can do is you can use external noise removal tools. Since VN doesn't have built-in noise reductions, you can clean your audio first using free tools like Audacity or Audio Lab if you are on Android. You can also use others that you are using. And then the third method, you can use the AI noise reductions app before importing. So for a quick fix, you can try AI power noise removers before importing your audio into VN. You can try Capwing. It's an online free noise remover. Or you can also use Crips, the AI powered noise cancellation. And you can also use Adobe Enhanced Speech. It will cleans up voiceovers. And the next method, you can also re-record in a quiet place and use a mic. If possible, you can record in a quiet room to avoid background noise. Use an external mic for clearer audio and place a soft cloth or foam around your mic to absorb echoes. And the last step, you can also import clean audio back to you can just import audio back to VN. So after cleaning the audio, you can import it back and align it with your video timeline and adjust the volume and add background music if needed. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.